follow Kenny on his raw vegan birthday, where I'm going to show you how to make this delicious raw vegan carrot cake. Let's get started right now. Hey, glad you stopped by. Today is Kenny's birthday, and I made him some delicious raw vegan hamburger patties for dinner, and I made him this raw vegan carrot cake for dessert. And I'm going to let him walk you through his whole raw vegan birthday.
For breakfast, I had a large bowl of fruit with blackberries, blueberries, golden kiwi, and fresh local strawberries. As usual, we eat our breakfast in the sunroom and watch the birds. This is a baby robin taking a bath. His mother comes in for a drink. For lunch, we made mango, peach, banana smoothie bowls. We topped them with fresh strawberries, golden kiwi, peaches, blackberries, and raw coconut flakes. What is your favorite smoothie bowl? Let us know in the comments below. This tropical smoothie bowl is so refreshing and healthy. I love that my birthday is in June so that we can spend most of the day outside. Our backyard is like an oasis to us. Joann fixed this ladder up and decorated it. She has gardens everywhere. I love this lamb's ear. We landscaped around our above-ground pool with edgers, pavers, sand, and Alabama sunset rock. We moved 2.5 tons of sand and 3 tons of rock to fill in around the pool and make a path to the sunroom. This is actually a 400-pound piece of concrete left over from making the sunroom foundation. Since it was too large to completely cover, Joann painted it like the ocean for the mermaid. She even decorated the sides of the pool. Here's our little beach area. We just love sand between our toes. There's our shed and sunroom. We cover the patio with a cool outdoor rug. Now we can walk from the sunroom to the pool without getting grass on our feet and getting the pool dirty. If you're getting value from this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help us out. We spend a lot of time out here, so I always want a pool party for my birthday. Today is 90 degrees and the water is nice and cool. For dinner, we're having raw vegan burger patties. The ingredients contain sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, criminy mushrooms, celery, carrot, garlic, medjool dates, cilantro, cumin powder, coconut aminos, paprika, parsley, mixed herbs, sea salt, and cayenne pepper. See the link in the description below for the full recipe. Mix the ingredients in a food processor until they form a pate that sticks together well, yet still chunky. Take a handful of the mixture and form into a patty. Place directly onto a dehydrator sheet. Repeat until you have at least 4 burger patties. Place into a dehydrator at 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 hours, flipping each patty after about 2 hours. Or use your oven set on its lowest temperature. Some ovens even have a dehydrator setting. Download our free 5-day meal plan in the description below. We made some slaw as a bed for the patties and added cilantro, red onions, and tomatoes for garnish. Leftovers may be stored in the fridge, but let them reach room temperature and then dehydrate for 30 minutes to an hour before serving again. And now it's time for my birthday cake.
For the cake we will need carrots, coconut flakes, walnuts, pecans, raisins, medjool dates that have been pitted and soaked if not soft, almond butter, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. See the description below for the full recipe. Put all cake ingredients except for the raisins into the food processor. And mix until it's moist and a bit chunky. Then pulse in the raisins. Add the mixture into a springform pan or a small baking pan. Press it down evenly. Now we need to melt the coconut oil for the icing on low heat. Don't set the container on the eye, but let the heat slowly melt it. Pour off any oil that melts until you have 3 tablespoons. So for the icing we need almonds, maple syrup, lemon juice, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Place all the ingredients in a high-speed blender. You may need a tamper. Add a small amount of nut milk if needed. Blend them until they are very smooth and creamy. Pour the icing on top of the cake. Spread it evenly. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for about an hour. Open the springform pan and set the cake on a plate or stand. I garnish the cake with shredded carrots. And I decided to use a vegetable peeler to make ribbons out of the carrot to form a rose. It'll keep in the fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for a month. Doesn't this look delicious?
I try to keep my healthy carbs near 80%. See our video on carbs to learn more. Because of the high fat content of the burgers and carrot cake, I didn't quite make it. I splurged on fat for my birthday, but I try to keep it around 10% on an ordinary day. The protein is just about right since I try to stay around 10% max. See our video on protein to find out why. My total calories consumed was about 2,300.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Come out. Yay!
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Watch these videos around us, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.